Hello guys, magandang gabi. So yun, nandito tayo sa Lightning, dito sa town, dito sa New Plymouth. So guys, panoorin nyo to, yan ang ganda ng mga ilaw dito. Yeah, tara, let's go guys.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year.
Yo. Oh, nasa Lightning tayo guys. Yeah, Lightning. Hey. Tapat. Lamig na. So guys, papunta na tayo dito sa kabila dito. Yan, dyan. Dito, punta tayo dyan. Punta na tayo. Yan. Mga ilaw dito, mga pailaw dito sa New Plymouth, New Zealand, sa town. Yan. Napakaganda dito guys. Kita nyo naman, daming ilaw dito guys. So yun, punta natin yung kabila. Kaya let's go.
Worst enemy, there's no risk if you don't try at anything. So I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. Pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want.
So guys, ito naman yung guys, win 1 yan. Yan naman ang win 1. Sa kabila. So punta naman tayo dito ngayon sa may yan, sa ilaw na yan. Punta yan guys.
Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But trying to do what you love when it's said and done. There's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Live life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Napakaganda dito guys.
All I need are some better days.
Lightning.
day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Like it's Monday, something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
So guys, dito na natatapos yung aking video ginawa ngayong gabi. Ayan, nakita nyo yung mga pailaw dyan. Yan, mga ilaw niya, no? Nakita nyo naman na maganda dito ng mga pailaw dito sa town, dito sa New Plymouth, New Zealand. Ayan. Si Richardson at saka si Tita Pat kasama ko. Yun, shoutout nga pala kay Sir Eugene Manulat at saka sa aking pamilya dyan sa Chao, Quezon, kay Raquel Broswell at Toleka at saka sa aking dalawang anak na si Shanrel at saka si Josea. Yun lang, bye bye.